change the hair color to what color you like, first we should have the hair selected. To do this, select magnetic lasso tool from toolbar, then select around the hair so fast as you can see. Now, as you know, by holding the Alt key you can remove some selection parts, and by holding Shift key you can add. Now duplicate the background layer and click on Mask option from Layer panel. Hide the first layer and right click on the new layer and choose Select the Mask. Now click and drag brush tool on the edge of the hair. Now turn this on and decrease the amount to 40% and then confirm. Delete the second layer and unhide the background layer. Right click on the mask and choose Apply Layer Mask. Select an empty layer and change its blend mode to hue. Then right click on it and select Create Clipping Mask. Now select Gradient from toolbar and click and drag on the screen to have the hair colored from the color of your gradient. Now right click on the layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then from Image menu, Adjustment, select Hue Saturation and make some changes if you need to. Let's see the changes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching Star and Vid channel.